welcome back to my channel. I am doing a video. It's kind of like an invite to a collab. My friend Chellie over at Born to Book and I have decided to make our collaboration that we were planning on doing just between the two of us. We have decided to make it an open collab and invite all you guys to join us. So if that is something you are interested in, stay tuned for the details. So the criteria of this collab would be it's 3 holiday gifts on a budget, and so we would like you to come up with 3 gifts to share in your video that are under $10 a piece. So one can be a couple dollars and the other one can be all the way up to the $10 mark. And we are doing a hashtag. It's 3 holiday gifts on a budget 2018. So if you want to put that hashtag into your video and we can kind of corral all the videos together. There is already so many other ladies that are so excited to do this collab with us. So like I said, we just decided to do an open one. Also, the upload date will be November 21st. And all Chellie and I ask you to do is make sure you mention our channels and link them in your description box as well as the playlist. So if that is something you guys are interested in doing, go ahead and leave me a comment down below. We are so excited, and I'm also going to be linking Chellie's invite video in my description box because she gives out a little more detail. This is kind of just like a last minute thing. I decided to also do a invite just in case you guys haven't heard about it yet. I just wanted to make a video and do an official invite to our open collab. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.